This cucumber egg salad is so refreshing and delicious. It's super easy to make. Let me show you how. Add water to a saucepan and let it heat up. Add some salt and start to dissolve it. Once the water is hot, add 5 eggs. Be careful not to break the eggs. Cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. That's perfect. Transfer the eggs to a bowl of cold water. You can add some ice cubes to make the water really cold. Let the eggs cook while we prepare the other ingredients. Grab a crispy cucumber and chop it into thin slices. You don't have to peel the cucumber. I just find the skin to be a little tough. Place them on a bowl and set them aside. Grab the palm tomatoes and cut them into quarters. You can use any kind of tomatoes that you have at hand. Perfect. Place them on a bowl and set that aside. Thinly slice a red onion. Separate the onion rings and place them on a bowl. Add all the veggies to a larger mixing bowl. Mix that together. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice and add it to the veggies. You can use a lime or even apple cider vinegar if you have it. Mix that together. To make the salad creamy, add 2 scoops of mayonnaise. Mix until all the veggies are coated. Drizzle some honey for a little sweetness and mix it in. That looks perfect. Let's go back to the eggs now. Peel the eggs and place them on a bowl. Cut the eggs into small chunks. You can cut them to as small or as large as you prefer. Add the eggs to the salad bowl and mix them in. I add the eggs last so that they don't break down too much while mixing. That looks perfect. You can eat the salad as it is at this point, but I like it a little chill. Cover the salad with cling film and pop it in the fridge for a bit. The salad has now chilled and it's more creamy. You can have this refreshing and delicious salad on its own as a meal or as a side to any dish. It goes perfectly with this mixed rice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.